Have you ever caught a flash of red fur darting into the woods and wondered about the secret life of a fox? These creatures are more than just beautiful. They are masters of survival, living complex lives full of intelligence, agility, and incredible adaptability. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the fox, from their first breath to their final hunt. So, get comfortable, and let's uncover the fascinating story of one of nature's most cunning survivors. Imagine a hidden, earthy burrow tucked away from the prying eyes of the world. This is the den, the very first home for a litter of newborn foxes, or kits. A mother fox, called a vixen, gives birth to a litter of about 4 to 6 kits. When they're born, they are completely helpless, blind, deaf, and entirely dependent on their mother for warmth and milk. The vixen rarely leaves their side, a devoted guardian against the cold and any potential dangers, while the mother tends to her vulnerable young. The father, or dog fox, takes on the role of the provider. He tirelessly patrols their territory, hunting to bring back food for his mates. This early stage is the most dangerous time in a fox's life. Predators lurk, and the harshness of the environment is a constant threat. It's a delicate balance, and the survival of the entire litter hangs on the diligence and teamwork of the parents. Every rustle of leaves could mean danger, and every meal brought back is a victory. After about 2 weeks, a magical moment happens. The kits' eyes open, and they see the world for the first time. Their ears perk up, and they begin to hear the sounds of the den and the world outside. At 3 to 4 weeks old, their curiosity gets the better of them, and they start taking their first wobbly steps, exploring the confines of their underground home. This is when their real education begins. Playtime isn't just for fun. It's a vital training ground. Through playful tumbles and mock fights with their siblings, they learn crucial skills. They pounce, stalk, and wrestle, honing the agility and hunting techniques they will need to survive as adults. This playful chaos also establishes a social hierarchy within the litter, teaching them the unspoken rules of fox society. By the time they are 6 to 8 weeks old, they're ready for a new menu. Their parents start bringing them solid food, and they get their first taste of the diet they'll have for the rest of their lives. As they grow into juveniles, their world expands beyond the den. Under the watchful eyes of their parents, they start to venture out, learning the layout of their territory, the best places to find food, and the safest spots to hide. It's a gradual process of gaining independence. Each day brings a new lesson: how to track a mouse, how to listen for a beetle, and how to tell the difference between the scent of prey and the scent of a predator. They are slowly transforming from helpless kits into resourceful young hunters, preparing to one day carve out a territory of their own. So, what does a typical day look like for an adult fox? Well, their lives are a constant whirlwind of activity, driven by instinct and the rhythm of the seasons. Many fox species are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during the twilight hours of dawn and dusk, or fully nocturnal. This schedule helps them avoid predators and hunt more effectively under the cover of low light. Their main job, of course, is hunting. Foxes are true omnivores, which is a key to their success. Their menu is incredibly diverse. They'll patiently stalk and pounce on small mammals like voles, mice, and rabbits. They're skilled at catching birds and aren't afraid to dig for insects and grubs. But they also have a sweet tooth. When the season is right, they'll happily feast on fruits, berries, and other plants. They're also opportunistic scavengers, cleaning up carrion left behind by other animals. This flexible diet means they can find something to eat in almost any environment, from dense forests to suburban backyards. Beyond hunting, a huge part of a fox's day is spent exploring and maintaining its territory. Foxes are territorial animals. They patrol the boundaries of their home range, which can vary in size depending on how much food is available. They use scent marking, leaving their unique signature with hearing and scent glands to communicate with other foxes. It's like leaving a calling card that says, "This area is taken. Keep out." This helps them avoid unnecessary conflicts with rivals. After a long night of hunting and patrolling, it's time to rest. Foxes will retreat to their dens or find other sheltered spots like hollow logs, thick bushes, or even a cozy spot under someone's shed to sleep away the day. While they are often solitary hunters, they are not completely antisocial. Foxes have a complex system of communication that includes a wide range of vocalizations from yip and barks to eerie screams as well as subtle body language and, of course, that all-important scent marking. One of the fox's greatest talents is its ability to adapt to the changing seasons. As the world transforms around them, so do their strategies for survival. In the summer and autumn, food is plentiful. The landscape is teeming with insects, young birds, and ripe fruits. Foxes take full advantage of this bounty, feasting on a wide variety of foods to build up their fat reserves for the leaner months ahead. But when winter arrives, life gets tougher. The insects disappear, the berries are gone, and many animals are hibernating. This is when the fox's incredible hearing comes into play. They can hear the faintest rustle of a mouse or vole moving under a thick blanket of snow. You may have seen incredible videos of a fox leaping high into the air and diving headfirst into the snow. This is called mousing, and it's a highly effective hunting technique. They'll also rely on food they've hidden away. Foxes are known for catching or burying surplus food to dig up later when times are tough. Their physical adaptations are just as important. A fox's thick winter coat provides brilliant insulation against the freezing cold. As the weather warms up in the spring, they shed this heavy coat for a lighter one, ensuring they don't overheat during the summer months. This remarkable ability to adjust their behavior in their own bodies is what allows foxes to thrive in environments ranging from the frozen Arctic tundra to scorching hot deserts. At around 10 to 12 months of age, a young fox reaches sexual maturity and is ready to start a family of its own. The cycle of life begins anew. Foxes typically mate once a year, and many species form monogamous pairs, at least for the breeding season. The bond between the pair is crucial for the successful raising of their kits. Once the kits are born, the responsibility falls heavily on the vixen, who nurtures and protects them in the den. But she's not alone. The father is a dedicated partner, bringing food for both the mother and, eventually, the growing kits. In some fox families, older siblings from a previous year, S-litter might even stick around to help care for the new arrivals. This cooperative family structure gives the young kits the best possible start in life. The life of an adult fox is a continuous juggling act. Their existence is a delicate balance between finding enough food to survive, defending their territory from intruders, and successfully raising the next generation to ensure the continuation of their species. Every day is a test of their cunning, their senses, and their endurance. Sadly, life in the wild is often short. The average lifespan for a fox is just 2 to 5 years. They face threats from larger predators, competition for resources, diseases, and the ever-present dangers of human activity, like traffic and habitat loss. However, in protected environments like sanctuaries or in captivity, where these threats are removed, a fox can live for up to 10 years or even longer. So, to sum it all up, the life of a fox is a breathtaking story of resilience. They are clever omnivores with a diet that lets them survive almost anywhere. They are mostly solitary but form strong family bonds to raise their young. Their daily lives are a mix of hunting, patrolling, and resting, all timed to perfection. Their incredible adaptations, from changing their fur with the seasons to their genius food-catching strategies, make them true masters of their environment. From a tiny, helpless kit in a dark den to a sharp and skillful hunter, the journey of a fox is a powerful testament to survival, resourcefulness, and the beautiful complexity of the natural world. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the life of the fox. If you found this journey as fascinating as we did, please hit that like button, and you won't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next adventure into the wild. See you in the next video!